Good morning and welcome to the Traders Desk for the 6th of January 2011. Let's start off by looking at the Aussie. As can be seen, the Aussie's continued on its downward move, hasn't been in favour since this trading year started. It's got down towards 99.50 and had a decent rally back towards sort of 101.20. To me, still looks heavy. You'd probably be a seller here, leaving a stop loss up towards 100.50. Looking for it to come back down towards 99. The next major level of support on the downside, I'd say, would be around about 98.50, which coincides with mid-December lows, and even a little bit lower down there at 97.50. There just seems to be such a strong sentiment to sell Aussie at the moment, and with commodities coming off, it looks set to continue. Looking at the euro, it's done absolutely everything that I thought it was going to do a couple of days ago. We've got this wedge type formation on the longer term chart, which should break to the downside. Yesterday had a short position for most of the day, made some good money back, took profit just before the support, but also resold on the break. Had a pretty good day yesterday, made it back to break even pretty much on the month. From here, you'd consider that 131 region would be a relatively strong level of support considering what we're looking at, but realistically on a sell of, say, on a break of 130.80 or even 130.50 to confirm it, you'd have to think we're going to go and test the lows down here at 129.60 in the first instance. We may see initially a bounce off these levels, but you'd have to be a seller on the rally back towards 132.5. Looking at the cable, it looks fairly similar to the euro, but for the fact it doesn't have a really good wedge formation. Again, we've had a little bit of a rally off some support down here at 154.5. Realistically on the day, similar to the euro yesterday, I wouldn't expect sterling to go back through 155.30. You'd have to leave your stop above 155.50 if you were carrying a short, and that may be an intraday position worthwhile taking. Looking to take it back down here at 154.5. Looking at the chart, I think that's probably the best trading option, and we might take a half position here. We'll sell half a sterling, leave a stop loss up towards 155.60, and let's see if we can pick them up towards the lows. Again, you'd want to be a seller of the break of 154 as well. Looking at the dollar yen, it's just all been one-way traffic last night. I'm not sure exactly what caused it, whether there was any fundamental moves behind it, but on a technical basis, it looks like the breakout of a almost symmetrical triangle here. You'd have to think that the next level that we're going to test is up towards 84.50, and even on the day you wouldn't expect it to go back below 83, 82.90 if you wanted to initiate a long position. To be honest, I don't have a really strong view in the dollar yen at the moment, and it is a little bit messy, so I'm going to stick clear of it and wait to see how it pans out.